Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Be gentle. Where's that cough coming from, baby girl? Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Right on your cousin. Asher, did you give up? Did you give up?
What does give up mean?
Trying to get her attention. They're just poking each other in the eyes.
Yeah.
That's not a good way to get the attention. Hi.
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 White.
There he is.
Where did Fiona's bell go?
Around here somewhere. Oh.
She'll sit it down, I guess.
Big stretch. It is a full bed.
I don't know if I was in.
Asher's trying to get Fiona's attention. And Fiona only pays attention to Isaac.
You want me to bail back?
Ooh.